Yeah.
Good morning, Billy.
Hey.
Hi, Edna.
Hey.
You look very busy today. That's odd. That oil tank is off its base. You're not thinking of trying to lift that tank, are you, Billy? Are you trying to show Edna how strong you are, Billy? Uh-oh. What a mess. You okay, Billy? Our good friend Tom can clean you up. Let's go see him. Good morning. Billy needs your help, Tom. As you can see, Billy can use a good washing, Tom. Look at those leaves and sand. Very, very sticky. That oil looks like chocolate sauce. Maybe a big sponge would soak that oil up. You can't even see that there are headlights under there. Okay, let's get to it. Raise up your bucket, Billy. The sponge will soak up all of that excess oil. Does that feel funny, Billy? What's wrong, Billy? Is the water cold? There, it's warmer now. Is that better? The sand is coming off. Okay, time for a little soap. Are you ticklish? There you go, Billy. The leaves are gone. It's time for a final wash. Now, let's get those headlights squeaky clean. There, almost done.
Yeah.
Full blast. It must feel good to be dry. Wow, Billy. Have you ever been this clean? Great job as usual, Tom. Is Billy good to go now? You're wondering what Tom is up to, aren't you, Billy? It's a giant umbrella to wear on your hat so nothing can spill on you. Thanks, Tom. Everybody is gone. You're doing great, Billy. See, no need for an audience. Edna is back. She's ready for a snow fight. Good thing you had your umbrella. Hey, Carrie. Time for garbage pickup? Be careful. The next bin is really full. Oh, you think you're so strong. Be careful. Uh-oh. Yikes, you're all dirty. Yes, that's not a good smell. Tom, don't you smell anything? Yikes, it's Gary that had a garbage problem. Gary needs a good wash. You know where to take him. Don't worry, Gary. You'll be fine. You need a good shower. Now let's take a look at you. Looks like there's a banana peel on your head and mud puddles on your windscreen and mirrors. Gary, you've also got some pizza slices in your tires. Let's get Gary all cleaned up. Feeling ticklish, Gary? Good work. Let's get those pizza slices out. Oops, we've got too many bubbles. It looks like Gary is enjoying them. Now the mud puddle. Good choice, Tom. This will remove them quickly. You're almost done. Shine like a star, Gary. Tom has a surprise for you, Gary. Perfume. Great idea, Tom. Gary smells like flowers.
Hey!
Doesn't Gary smell good?
Yeah!
Hi, Skylar. Oops. Clumsy Skylar. It's not the first time this happens, is it? It's too far. You'll fall in the pool. Oh, no. Skylar? Phew. Tom is here to help. Tom will tow you to the car wash. The cement on your back is not dry yet. Easy to wash. Are you ready, Skylar? You'll need to be quick before the cement hardens. Let's do it. That should take care of some of the wet cement. It works. You can open your eyes now.
Wow!
Looks like this stain dried. You need some soap, Skylar. It's tickling, isn't it? Time for a shower. Let's see if the soap got rid of your stains. The stain on your head is gone.
Whoa!
The dry cement needs more effort. You're getting some results there. The dry cement is cracking. It still looks dirty. The tire looks clean now.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
It's too hot.
Whoa!
Much better. You look shiny. Wait, Skylar. Tom has something for you. What's under the cover? Wow! A giant Hoover.
Wow!
Skylar can use it to save things that fall into cement. Goodbye, Tom. And thank you. Uh-oh. No need to worry. You have the right equipment. Here's the cone. Always focus on the work at hand and keep distraction away. Marley, ready to jump over the giant ice cream? Oh, is something wrong? Ah, you're afraid you'll fall in the ice cream. You have to believe in yourself. Ready? Go! Yikes! You didn't make it. Let's give it one more try. But first, you need a wash. Let's take a look at you, Marley. Wow, you've got ice cream all over your face with a cherry on top. That creamy ice cream is lodged very deep in your tires. That chocolate sauce looks yummy.
Way!
Looks like you're ready to start. Okay, Marley, let's get this thing rolling. Feels good, right? Bet Jerry won't bother you again. Let's get some soap in the mix. Wow, so many bubbles. It's not time for stunts yet. Next, a good scrub for the more stubborn stains. Melted ice cream can be very sticky. Nothing a good sponge can't fix. The ice cream and chocolate sauce are gone. A good rinse will make you shine. Look at you, all cleaned up. Let's finish off the look with a cool breeze. It's not wind, Marley. It's the dryer. Finally as clean as new.
Yahoo!
Okay, Marley. Are you still nervous about the stunt? Looks like Tom has an idea. Aha! A propeller to help Marley fly higher. Do you feel more confident now?
Hey!
Marley, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, it's now or never.
Hey!
You can do this.
Yay! Woohoo! Hey, hey!
Yes, you did it. Always believe in yourself.
Mama, mama.